let's take a look at a non-traditional approach to making sock monkeys. This monkey, I would say, is my traditional sock monkey. Following the formula of making a sock monkey. It has a tail, it has monkey ears, 2 eyes, a nice smile. This is a traditional sock monkey. By comparison, the other sock monkeys I make tend to have other things going on for them. The eyelash yarn in sewing the seam is one super fun thing about these monkeys. The many eyes that jumped onto this monkey spider creature, and no ears. It definitely was a don't have ears kind of moment. And the colors of the sock are matched exactly in the fibers, so it's got that level of coordination to it, where this one was contrasting at that point. And I also, when making this, referred to sometimes there is a tail of yarn that just hangs out on the monkey, and this is a prime example with this fiber that decided to stay. I want to talk to you about the yarn that I really enjoy using, and it's called eyelash. And this is what I used on this monkey. First off, I have to say, I was super excited to get these socks and these stripes. I think sock monkeys made out of striped socks are really super fun. These striped socks, I happen to know that I had this skein of eyelash yarn that was this color, and I was so excited to match them. Coordinating monkeys is some of the funnest part of making sock monkeys, is coordinating the yarn to the sock. Eyelash yarn can be difficult to work with, so I'd like to share with you an upcoming project where I'll be showing you techniques for how to sew with eyelash. Friends, thank you for watching. I'm so glad you stopped by. Love you. Have a great day.